Yeah, hi, good morning all.
Very good.
Good morning.
Fine.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Vasu.
Yeah, good morning. So, any queries from anyone? So, today we'll start with the web driver. Okay, the Selenium web driver. So, people will call it as Selenium, the Selenium web driver. Okay, both are same. The web driver is an interface implemented in Java. So, by using this, you can directly interact with the applications.
Hello.
Yes.
Sorry to interrupt, Vasu sir. Is this the first demo class or?
Yeah, this is the first class. Okay, the demo class includes
Okay,
demo completed.
okay,
So this is the starting class.
okay, sir. Thank you.
So just followed it. If any queries, we'll discuss at the end of the session.
Okay,
Okay.
sure. Thank you.
Fine. So here, in order to work with the Selenium, so first of all, we have to install the Java in our machine. Okay. So we're focusing on this. Then here we are using this, the Eclipse IDE. So the IDE stands for again Integrated Development Environment. So we can use this for multiple technologies. So in olden days, we are using like the notepad to work with the Java. Nowadays, they are going to be using the tools. So what we have to do, we need to download this, the Eclipse IDE. So we no need to install it. I'll show you one by one. So just understand it. Then we have to download this, the Selenium version. So you no need to worry on that if Java is not installed in your machine. Okay. So if you're using the older version of this Eclipse, so the Java is asking the mandatory. Now the present version of the Eclipse, the Java is not required. Okay. So we'll see now. Firstly, how we are going to be downloading this Eclipse and installing that Eclipse into our machine. So I'm explaining this the step-by-step process. Just followed it. Okay. So I'm going to be opening this, the Chrome browser. I'm navigating to this Eclipse Marks to download page. Just click on this Eclipse ID Marks to packages. Or directly you can open this eclipse.org. Anyways, is fine. See here, this is the present version of the Eclipse. The Eclipse ID 2303. This is a month. Okay, 03. So this is the latest version of this, the Eclipse ID 2023. third month. So if you want to see the lower version, like older versions, see these are the older versions. So Eclipse 12, 9, 2022, all these are the older versions. If I click on older version, we're able to see all these, the older releases. So here, what we need to do it. So we have to download the latest version. Just click on download. So the file will be having this around 200 MB. It is going to be taking some time. If anyone can able to download this, we can download this. Download 8664. The 64 represents our operating system. Okay. So whether it is 64, 32, so it will be supporting nowadays. But in previous days, so we are specifically downloading for the 32-bit operating system and the 64-bit operating system. So the latest version of Eclipse will support any type of operating systems. Okay, you no need to worry on this. So here, otherwise, if you want to download this marks only, so this is the way. Here we have to select this Eclipse IDE for Java Enterprise Edition developers. We'll see later about what are these editions, any types. While we go through the Java, we'll discuss about it. So here we have to download it for Windows, Mac, Linux. So this is for March. Now this is the latest version. We simply click on download. So again, we have to click on this, the download option. The file will be downloaded. Okay. So I'll explain the installation at the end of that with any one of you. So meanwhile, we can download and keep aside. Okay. Otherwise, we'll discuss it here itself. But it's taking more time. Everyone should follow this. So if you are able to do it, so parallelly, you can do that, download it. So here, so it is an executable file. So go to that, the location where it got downloaded. Just like it is downloading it. So this is a file that got downloaded. So now we have to install it. Once it is downloaded, for installing it, simply we need to double click on this executable file. Please note down the steps, follow the steps. So if you are a bit lag on this process, everything is like navigation part only. It's not like theory. I already said that. Okay. So whatever it is feasible for you to understand it in that way, you can capture the steps one by one. See, once it is open that we have to select Eclipse ID for Enterprise Java and web developers. We need to choose this option, the second option. Just I'm selecting the second option and simply go for the install. So here, this will be taking some time. So everyone is completed up to here. So this is the from the beginning part. Okay, that's what I'm asking you to do it parallelly. So if you're postponing it, again you're lack in the practice as assignments completion. Okay, that will be the programs are increasing day by day, so you don't have enough time to practice it. So you can do it from the day one. So you have to spend at least 1 hour initial days. Going forward, you can spend like 2 hours. The rest of the time, so you can segregate according to your works. So did anyone else completed? Yeah, okay. Then wait. So try to complete it. Yeah, I have also already there, but I'm explaining from the beginning, okay, for everyone. Some are new to this, right? So that's what I explained this from the beginning, okay. So here everyone should do with their own hands without need any help going forward, or if you're going to be joined to any company, you should play whatever you need. So that is the reason I ask you to people connect with the laptop. Any clarification, any queries, you can clarify in the session itself.
Vasu, this is Pavani.
Yeah, Pavani.
When I'm after downloading the software, I could not able to install it. Do you want me to open or save this file? It's asking me the question about this.
Yeah, which one you are using, laptop or what, MacBook or which one?
Laptop.
Then you can download, double click on it once you download it.
Yeah, once I'm doing, it's not allowing me. View and track your
Yeah.
down.
What is the file you downloaded?
No, I'm not able to.
No, this executable file, you downloaded it or not?
Yeah, it was downloaded. After download, I'm trying to install.
Yeah, that laptop having any restrictions, any office laptop or like that, or personal laptop?
No, personal laptop only.
Yeah, once you double click on it, what is the error you are getting?
Uncovered downloaded. Do you want to open
No,
or save this?
still not yet downloaded completely. Wait for it sometime.
Okay.
Maybe the download is in progress. So let's complete the download.
Hi, sir. Morning.
Yeah, hi.
I have a small query that yesterday actually I missed the demo session. So I want to ask the query. Like, I am from manual testing background. So I want to ask for query like, as of now, we are learning Selenium with Java, right? So is the Java background is required for this learning of Selenium, sir?
In Java, I'll explain it, right? Whatever the Java is required. Java is required to learn the Selenium as well.
Okay, then the Java, the requirement of the Java in Selenium, you are going to explain this only.
Yeah, here itself I'll explain it.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So you no need to worry about anything. I will take care of everything. So whatever the Java required for the Selenium, we'll discuss in the training itself.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, first Java concept will you teach or directly Selenium? Or Java concept is for another timing? What is the process?
No process here, okay? Don't worry on it. The same timing we'll discuss. I'll explain it. Which one you required? First you required Java, or you required Selenium. I know how to teach it, okay? So which way is better to understand by the students? I'll give that way. Just follow that one. I'll give simultaneously Selenium, Java. Java discuss where we are using in the Selenium. So like that we will discuss on that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
First we discuss Java, right? Then Selenium, whenever we started, you people have forget the Java. Again, I have to explain the Java there. So it is a two-time effort. So to avoid that, so we'll discuss simultaneously. First, we'll configure the Selenium. Then we will start with the Java. Again, we move to the Selenium like that. Wherever the Java required, we'll discuss the Java. Then we will use in the Selenium. That will be very easy to understand it. Somewhere we discuss Java, but we don't know where to use it like that. So just click on select all and click on first selected ones. And people are connecting from mobile and laptop. It is not required. Okay, again, connect from anyone. Better choose the laptop. Fine, just click on launch. Okay, this is an Eclipse ID 2023-03. Someone is unmuted. Please be unmuted. So see here, the first thing is here we have to focus on that. The workspace. Select a directory as a workspace. So once we downloaded or install this, so here onwards, you have to carefully perform it. So what we need to do it, we have to provide so here the first one is like the workspace. So the workspace is nothing but the location where we have to store the automation scripts in our computer. So it means we are automated, we practice some Java programs, we practice some Selenium programs. Those programs I need to save in my computer. So where you have to store those things. So I want to store in the D drive. I want to store in the E drive. So which drive you want to store it? Or in the D drive, I have a folder. See here, the Selenium batch 4. I want to create a new folder here with the name like Selenium batch 5. So here, there are two ways to provide this workspace. One is like we can directly write like that. So I want to store in E drive with the name. So what is the name? We have to provide it. So this name. So automatically a folder will be created with this name in our E drive. So I don't want to go with that new name. I want to choose the existing folder name. So you have to click on browse option here. Browse, we created it right. The batch 5. Just today we created it. Select it. Select this folder. Now in this folder, I want to store my data, the scripts as well, the automation scripts. So here now we need to enter into this Eclipse. There are options like create a new project like that. Otherwise, simply there is a welcome close button is there. Simply you have to click on close. So this is the Eclipse ID. So here as a tester, we need to understand this. There are three sections here. We are mainly working on this Eclipse part. The first section will be like the project explorer area. Here we are creating that the project structure or the folder structure. So we have to understand that. Then this will be like the Java editor. So here we can write the Java as well as the Selenium. So this Eclipse will support multiple platforms. Okay, you no need to worry on it. So our focus is mainly focusing on Java and Selenium. So this task and outline, we are not working on it. It will be representing like, so which is completed like that. What is the task going on like that? We don't bother about that one. And one more thing here. Here we have to understand that this is like a console. We have to know that the output. So we'll call it as a console. Here we have to come to know that the output of a particular program. So we have to understand that. So this is about that. The first we have to concentrate on that. So next, so here we have to create a project. So in order to write any Java program or Selenium program, if you want to automate it, directly we cannot do it. So we have to create a project. Now, how we are going to be creating a project here? So go to Files menu, select New, and choose an option like Project. So what type of project we are going to be creating it here? So we have to select initially like Java project. Click on Next. And here we have to focus on that, the project name. Suppose my project is like RNHRM. I just provided the project name. And here we have to uncheck this create module in profile. Need to uncheck it is. That is a very important one. And here we will come to know that the JRE like that we'll see later. Just click on finish. So provide the project name, uncheck the module checkbox and click on open perspective. See here we have the project is created. The J indicates Java project. So if we expand the project, by default we're getting it JRE system libraries and SRC. So here, So one is JRE, Java Runtime Environment System Libraries, and the SRC. SRC is nothing but the source code. So in this SRC only, we are going to be writing this, the Java Selenium code. And JRE having some libraries. So these library files are help to run the Java. So without JRE, we cannot run the Java code. To run the Java code, the JRE is going to be providing some environment or the help like that. So SRC is nothing but the source code. JRE is going to be helping to run the. So mainly we can focus on that. JRE is going to be for execution purpose. This is having some library files. So here we have to understand that. So project contains the SRC. So in the SRC, the source code. Now we have to create a package here. So directly we cannot write the code. So this is the standard process. You need to follow it. So to write a Java code or any code, first here we need to create a package. What is meant by package in Selenium or Java? The package is nothing but, so it is a collection of classes, or we will call it as like a group of classes is going to be call it as a package. So why we are going to be define a package? So here, in order to differentiate one to other, for example, so in our project, like there are some modules, module A, module B, module C. So for module A or sprint one, we have thousand test cases. In that 1,000 test cases, we'll have to automate that. For example, 600 test cases are automated. All are related to the A module. For module B, we have 800 test cases, we can automate it. So all these 600 are placed into one package, like one group. The remaining will be placed into another group. Like we will have to come to know that having that the different groups. So focusing on that. So what is a syntax for creation of a package? So everything will be based on the syntaxes. Follow the syntax, just try to implement in the Eclipse. That's it. So the first thing is like the domain name followed by project name followed by the purpose. So here we have to understand that Usually the domain names like .net, .com, .in, like that. Now I'm creating a package under the source. So right click on the source SRC, need to perform the right click, go for a new class. So here, sorry, need to go for a new package. So new package. So provide the package name. So com dot the rnhrm dot java. I'm discussing some Java programs. So this is a package. So the SRC having this, the package. So here we have to understand that. Package. So here, definition wise, package consists of the classes. Now I am creating one new class. In class is represent one test case here. So right click on this package, go for a new class. So I'm creating a simple class. While creating a class, we need to follow some standard rules. So just follow this. Always class name should start with the capital letter. It won't contain any spaces. It won't contain any special characters. It won't start with the numbers as well. We're not creating any class with the numbers, numeric values. If you want to need, you can provide the underscore. So this is how the class name. And class is having the main method. We'll see later about the main method. Just we need to select the checkbox. Just click on finish. So this is a simple Java class, the syntax or structure. Okay. So we'll have this package. Package consists of class. Class having the main method. So here the usage of this main method is nothing but mainly for it is for driving purpose. So we can understand this. The code will be written in this main method. So this will be representing a single comment. So the comments never executed anything. Okay. So here, try to understand. See, this is a project. Expand the project. Expand this SRC. Expand the package. So there will be a class. One class is nothing but one test case in our Selenium. We are going to be treated like that. So later we'll see what is class like that. So now I'm going to be printing one message like system.out.println. I want to print like welcome to Selenium. So this is a message. I need to print it. So save and execute it. So we have to save the code and we have to click on this run button. So simply we have to click on run. See the program is executed and giving the results in the console. So here, whenever we are going to be run this, the code will be executed from the main method. Here we have to going forward like that. So it is executed from the main method. then the statement of the code will be executed. The system is an inbuilt classes. Out is an output. Println is a method. It is printing this. The statement in the console. Just it is printing in the output. So the results of a program is going to be printed here. So this is a basic structure. We required it. So whenever we are going to be writing any Java program, any Selenium program, this is a standard structure. First, we have to create a project having this, provide the workspace, project, source. Under the source, we have package having the class. So like that, we can create number of classes within a package. I want to create one more package, like one more class, go for a new class. This class is related to the addition test, addition of two numbers. Just select the main method, just click on finish. See, these are the Java classes, so Java programs. Each program will be treated as one. Okay, so one test case here. So in order to run these two classes of the Java, the JRE, this is an environment, it's supporting to run the Java. Without JRE, we cannot run it. So here we have to focus on it. So this is a basic structure. Everyone should create it. So from Monday, we will discuss about that one by one. What is a class? What is a method? So how we will work with the Selenium. So this is for Java. How we can work with the Selenium. All this we will discuss it. So till now, you have any queries you can ask. Fine. So I'm stopping here today.
Next
So
class
from
will be on Monday.
Yes, next class will be on Monday. And the link will be got expiring from Monday onwards. So please register so that they can access, you can access the videos.
Vasu, can you please share today demo, class?
Yeah, I don't have this right. I'll inform to that. You can ask the team, they will upload you. You can try it, okay, no worries, to discuss on Monday if it is not.
Okay.
You can remove that one and I can download it again. Check it once.
Okay. But
Uh,
today
wha-
class I did it, so.
Yeah, but the classes are shared by the organization. It's not in my.
Vasu, I want to ask something that we
Yeah.
haven't set a path here, right? For Java.
No,
We
that
only
is not required. That is not required. That is the olden days, like the old version. So like previously, we need to set up the path and everything. Now, no need to set up any path.
and for
So that is like
Selenium.
environment variables.
Mhm.
You're
And for
asking to.
yes, for Selenium also we don't need to add any packages, so it's directly installed
Yeah.
or
No. So that will be different. So Selenium, we need to add the jars.
okay.
So the environment, we need to create it. That's what I'll explain that one.
Okay.
Just
Thank you.
followed it. I'll give this initially like I'm not writing directly. I'll give one by one from the basics itself.
Vasu, so Saturday and Sunday will be the no classes for us.
Yeah. No classes on Saturdays and Sundays. You have to practice the time on Saturdays and Sundays.
Okay.
Okay.
So Vasu, one more question is like if we miss any session due to some technical issues like internet issue, so do you
That's what
provide
you will get the
any?
recordings. We'll get the recording. Any queries? We'll discuss on that.
Okay.
Okay.
So while explaining the class, do you provide any notes to us, like the definitions and everything like that?
Yeah, it's recording is there, right? Again, it's wasting the time, right? I'll explain the definition in the practice while I'm teaching it. So that will be there in the recording, right? You can refer it.
Okay.
Okay. So there is no theory here. Only we will have different scenarios to automate it. So whenever I'm teaching any definition, that PDF or notes I will share with you. Okay.
Okay, Vasu.
So we don't have much theory in the Selenium. These simple definitions and the examples, more concentrating on the example section only. That is like practicals. Everyone should do by your own hands, not like theory. So someone will explain and later point of time we will go through it. So we cannot do that one in Selenium. So from the day one onwards, you need to do that practice. Then only you can inline with the trainer. Okay, otherwise there will be lag in the practice, in the understanding. If you miss any session also, that is the continuation of the previous session, right? So that will be also some delay in the understanding. So don't miss any class, don't miss the practice. That's what I'm asking you people. So it's very easy. I'll explain from the basics. You can easily understand it. So just follow my order, whatever I'm teaching in the same order, you can learn it. You'll get completely the Selenium. Fine.
Yes, Vasu. Thank you.
Thank you. Any questions from anyone? So please raise your questions here. Don't sit ideally here. Everyone is here to learn something. So please ask whatever the queries you have, you can clarify it. So simply coming and going, there is no use to learn this course. So I'm always remembering you people, disconnect from your laptop and just start doing it. Yes. Fine.
Monday, the same link, demo link will work, or
No, the things will be changing it. These are the demo classes, okay? You need to register it, then only you'll get it. 1 second, I'll ask them to share the detail. So they will give the numbers and everything, you can approach them.
Okay. I have one suggestion from my side. Can I keep it?
Yeah, okay.
Can't we do something like this, Java classes we can do in separate time, and Selenium we can do in separate time? Because Selenium concept itself is a huge concept, big syllabus. So including Java, it will take more time. So it's just like, some suggestion, like if it could be easy or feasible, like Java could be on other time, and Selenium this should be on 8:30
No,
a.m.
not like that. Yes, because see, if we give Java, we'll focus on Java and you forget it after 5 days, 6 days. Again, I need to teach the Java here also, right? So it's a two-time effort.
I am
So why?
speaking. I am speaking. This one is because most of the people know already Java, because some people are coming from different backgrounds, so they know Java.
Yes.
Some
Some
people are
people are
taking.
not know right. Some people doesn't know right.
So that's what I am saying. If Java could be on other time and Selenium should be on 8:30 a.m. So it's just like a
No. It
suggestion.
will be mismatching, misunderstanding. Okay. It's not like experienced people. You can catch it so within 10 minutes. I don't have any program. I need to catch it like 1 hour to do understand that. Okay.
Okay, okay. Sure.
Hello.
Yeah, there is because see, you already know what you're saying it. I don't want Java, right? That is your concern. I
Yes.
need only Selenium. So that will be again the misunderstanding, miscommunication. Like, so if I am explaining Java late and Selenium will be completed, so Java is still going on, right? What happened? They cannot compare it here and there. So that's the reason. So parallelly, simultaneously, we'll do it. Then it will be easy to understand anyone, anywhere. See, already Selenium, two concepts are completed, but Java, that concept is not covered in the Java. How we will complete the Selenium one? So there is a misunderstanding. Okay. So just follow this. If you have time, you can practice more from your end. So others will be also in line in the same.
Okay, sure, sure.
Thank you. Yes, Abhishek, any questions?
Yeah, actually, I have previously downloaded the Java version, which is Oxygen 3A. Will it work, or I should download this
No,
one?
no worries. It's WordPress, no worries. But this is the latest version. So
Okay.
I'm explaining on the latest version. If you have already there, no worries. You can keep that
Otherwise,
one.
I will replace it from the latest version. I will download the new one.
Yeah, anything is fine. If you have to do it, you can do it, or you can use the existing one as well. Go to file and create the same structure.
Okay, okay, okay,
That is no worries, no worries. Okay.
okay. Okay, no question from my side.
Hi,
Thank you.
Vasu.
Hi, Jyoti.
A small request from my side. You have changed the class to 8:30, right? But in US, it's like for us 11 o'clock. It was taking like up to 12 o'clock. Can you please move the class to 8 o'clock if it's possible?
Yeah, no, Jyoti, you can try to adjust it. So
Like the manual classes, well, they're like 8 o'clock, right?
yes, it's because of
Yeah.
my time, right? So that's the reason I changed it. So you can go through it half an hour, then you can rest the thing, you can go through the recording. Or you can
Okay.
connect it to plan any other possibilities. Okay. You can
Okay.
ping on
Thank
my mail. We'll discuss it
you.
on that.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you all. Have a nice day.
Thanks,
See you on
thanks.
Monday.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
good day, good day.
Thank you, Vasu.
Thank you.